Hello friends, welcome to PyTroops. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to create a button, how to make button more attractive, and how to place a picture on a button. So, let's get started. So, friends, I have already made this main window. Now, let's just quickly make a button. Take a variable, let's say btn1 is for button 1 is equals to button. This is the function of tkinter. Now where you want the button? Definitely on your main window. So window comma text is equals to, let's say, press. This text will be displayed on your button. Okay, now just pack your button dot pack. Now just run the program. So here is the button in the center of the window. If you press the button, nothing happened. But if you want by pressing the button some function will perform, then just pass another parameter in the button, which is command, spelling mistake, command is equals to. Now here you have to write an info function. So let's just quickly make a function def. Let's say name of a function is label. Inside the button just print, let's say, button pressed. These are the pure Python things. So now just run the program. Oops, sorry, I forgot to write the function name here. Here we have to write the function name, which is label. So now just run the program. So here is the button, and if I press the button, I got the output on the console. Simple. Just press the button and got output on the console. Now if you want to show this output on your main window as a label, so you can do it. Just go to your label function and instead of print, make a label here. Let's quickly make a label. Let's say label1 is equals to label, which is a function of printer again. Where you want the label? On your main window. So window comma text is equals to, let's say, button pressed again, button pressed, and let's say we want font is equals to in times, size should be 20, and we also want bold effect. So this is our label. Let's just change the color also. So foreground color of the label is, let's say, black, and just quickly pack the button dot pack. Now if we run the program, so just press the button. Oops, sorry, what happened? Oh, spelling mistake. Black, black, black. So if we run the program, now here is the button, and by pressing the button, perfect, we got output on the window. So if you want your label look more attractive, then check out our previous video, which is especially on these labels. So if I open the window again, then see the size of your button is quite small. Let's just make our button more attractive. Pass some parameters like height is equals to, let's say, 2, and width, let's say, 10. Now if I run the program, so see, the size of button is increased now. Let's pass another parameter for background color, which is bg is equals to, let's say, black, and for foreground color, let's say, fg is equals to white. So run the program. Here, perfect. Let's just change the font quickly. Pass another parameter, font, as I always preferred in times, Size should be 20 and bold effect is also enabled. Now if I run the program, okay, so it looks much better. We can also make our border thick, like it slightly raised, and if a button look more attractive. Pass another parameter, that is border width is equals to, let's say, 20. Now if we run the program, so just run the program, and here is the button with the borders are slightly raised and it look much better now. Now if you want picture on your button, you can also do it. Just quickly make another button, let's say BTN2. Let's just quickly copy this one, copy and paste here, change name to button 2, here button 2. Now we don't need text here. Let's just remove these all parameters because we want picture as a button. Let's just remove them all, remove these as well. Now okay, load our picture in a variable. Let's say take a variable pic is equals to. Now make sure your picture and your code file should be in the same directory. Like my both files are in the same folder, here go to the PyCharm projects, then PyTroops, and my both files are here. Let's just quickly close this. Now write photo image, which is another Ginter function, photo image, write file is equals to, write your image name here, image.png. This is my image name. Now use this pic variable in your button. Instead of text, write image is equals to pic. Now just quickly run the program. So here is our second button. Now if I press the button, it prints the same thing because in the command I use the same function here. Let's just quickly make another function. Let's say def label 2, and here make another label, label 2 is equals to label. Let's just change the name, let's say XYZ is equals to label. Let's just copy the above one, copy and paste it here. Also change the text to, let's say, welcome to PyTroops. Also change the command for button 2, which is now label 2. Now just run the program. Press first button, we got button pressed. Second button, we got welcome to PyTroops. See, there is no space between the buttons, so we can also fix it by using grid instead of pack. Grid, let's say row is equals to 0 and column is equals to 0 as well. Also use grid here, so grid, let's say row is equals to 0 and column is equals to 1. Now if I run the program, so here is our window. If I press the button, now I got the error because we have to use grid or pack for the whole window. So for labels, we also have to use grid. So right here, grid, let's say row is equals to 1 and column is also equals to 1. And here grid, row is equals to 2 and column equals, let's say, 1. So now if I run the program, so just press the button. Okay, works perfectly fine. We can also move our button in XY direction by pass another parameter, pad x and pad y. So let's just use these parameters. Pad x, let's say 80. Pad y, let's say 80 again. Now just run the program. So now there are gap between the buttons. Also there are gap from sides and corners. By pressing the button, oops, they will print out of window. Obviously gridding issue. Let's just fix it. So change the grid to, let's say 0 and 0 here. Now run the program. So let's see, by press, perfect. Now it's perfectly fine. Okay, so if you want to create gap between labels, so you can also do it. Just use pad x and pad y here as well. Let's say pad x is equals to, let's say 10, and pad y, let's say 10 also. Now just run the program. So press, perfect. Now you have the gap between the labels. So friends, hopefully you liked the video. If you face any problem, just ask in the comment section. Here you see the subscribe button. Similar button you can see below the video. So subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so you will never miss the video when we upload it. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You will get the link in the description. Thanks for watching.